If you're looking for the perfect fall hair color for this fall 2025 season, this wig is definitely for you. Alright you all, so let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing of the True Frontal Wig Peak 17. I just love how sleek the packaging is. Outre never disappoints with their packaging. So let's go ahead and get into it. And y'all, I just can't get over this beat right now, like this full glam. If you guys want to know how I achieved this makeup look, comment down below. I did not record a tutorial, but I do have a reel that's gonna pop out. So anyways, but let's go ahead and get into it. Here's what the packaging looks like. Here is what the wig looks like inside of the box. So before we get into the construction of this unit, I want to give you guys a close-up and just the specs of the stock card. This is the Outre Perfect Hairline True Frontal Fully Hand-Tied 13x6 Lace Frontal Wig, and I do have the style Peak 17. It is 22 inches and the color is Chocolate Swirl. And this is what the close-up of the stock card looks like. You do get this unit in a variety of colors, such as Chocolate Swirl, which we have in this video today, Cream Soda, Cream Toffee, Ginger Brown, 1B and 4. And again, this is a 13x6 frontal unit. And here are some of the colors that this unit comes in. And I will have everything listed down below in the description box so you guys can check this unit out for yourselves. And let's go ahead and get into the construction of this unit. So this wig does come with an elastic band that is sewn into the unit. So if you wanted to, you could cut and remove the elastic band out, but of course you would have to actually sew it back in so that way you could use it again. But they do have that. They also have the adjustable straps right here in the nape section as well. And this wig does come with 3 combs, so you have 1 comb at the bottom in the nape section, and then you also have 2 combs that are right there by the sides of the adjustable band. So with this, I'm not sure why they put it so close to the adjustable band. Maybe because of the actual frontal space, but I will say this wig is actually a full frontal. We do have lace 13 by 13, well 13 inches all the way across, and then you have 6 inches in the back. So there's a generous amount of lace on this unit. The unit also does have baby hairs and the hairline is pre-plucked. Look at how small those knots are. Oh my goodness, that just looks so beautiful, and the lace looks really good. It's also very soft as well. So let's go ahead and just try her on and get into the install. I also wanted you guys to see the color. So it is Chocolate Swirl. So it's that beautiful chocolate brown fall. Like when I saw this unit, it just screamed to me fall season. So you have like some light highlights of a medium brown as well. And the texture on this unit, it's almost like a light yaki texture. So I do like that because this wig, the texture on it looks very realistic. It doesn't give that synthetic plastic look, and it's very full. I'm running my hands through the unit and no tangles, a little bit of shedding, but this wig looks super duper full. So let's go ahead and get her on. I'm super duper excited to see what this color is going to look like. I've never done a color like this before, so let's go ahead and try her on. OMG, y'all, this color, like I've never done this color before, and oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And y'all, this texture, it just feels so real. Like it really does feel like yaki textured natural hair. Like that's what it feels like. It does not feel synthetic at all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah! Okay, okay. I didn't know I was gonna like this color like this, y'all. Okay, so anyhow, let's see. This is what the lace looks like after I have put the even brown tint spray on it. It definitely does blend in really well. This is my wig cap right here. In person, yes, you can see it a little bit peeking through, but on camera, it's not picking it up as much, which is really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and just see how much lace I want to do on this unit. I don't know. I'm already loving it. I'm already loving it. Let me go ahead. Let me go.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love.
Here are the final results of Miss Peak 710 in the color Chocolate Swirl. I do have all of the hair to the front just so that I can show you guys what it is giving, and I did leave it unbrushed because I did want you guys to see. Of course, since this is a synthetic wig and it's over 20 inches, it's 22 inches, there is going to be some tangling right here in the nape section and of course at the ends. But as always, like I always say, as long as you have like a powder brush or even a wide tooth comb, you're going to be able to get those tangles out nice and easy. So I just wanted to show you guys. And when I brush out my hair, I start from the ends and just work my way up to the top of the hair. So, and just like that, comb those tangles right on out. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, just so we can comb everything on out. So let's go ahead and get into the pros and the cons. So I'm just gonna start off with the cons and then get into the pros. So of course, like I was just saying, this hair is 22 inches, so of course it is going to tangle and shed. The shedding is a minimal, like 1 to 2 strands every time I run the hair through my fingers or brush it out. It's 1 to 2 strands, so minimal shedding. The tangling, it is going to tangle, so I'm definitely going to say the tangling is probably going to be like a 6 out of 10, just because the hair is so long and it's so much hair. But other than that, I just have so many pros that I like about this unit. Number one is the color. If you're looking for the perfect fall hair color for this fall 2025 season, this wig is definitely for you. It is the perfect chocolate brown color, and I just love how this color just complements the melanin, and it just looks so good. And I also love how full this wig is. If you like big hair, I'm a big hair don't care girly. Like, I love very full wigs. This wig is definitely for you. She's very full from the roots to the ends. It's a lot of hair on this wig, I will say that. So if you aren't really into big hair or very full hair, I definitely would not suggest getting this wig because it is a lot of hair. But it's definitely worth the price. This wig is very affordable, and I will leave the exact link down below in the description box so that way you guys can check this wig out for yourselves. But other than that, I also love the layers. This wig does have long layers which fit the wig very perfectly, especially since it is 22 inches. So the shortest layer on this unit comes all the way down here. You could, if you wanted to, make the layers a little bit shorter, bring them up some more to frame the face a little bit more. But I really do like how they layered this unit, and it was very easy to apply. For if you're a beginner and you're trying to get into frontal units, I definitely would suggest checking this one out because the lace, it melts into the skin very nicely. Like, oh my goodness, I just love how easily the lace melted. And I did something different with my baby hairs this time. I just used a mousse and it just laid the hair down so naturally. So if you want a natural looking hairline, I definitely would suggest grabbing this unit. And again, like, it's just super full. Like, I love how full and big and voluminous this hair is. There are so many different options that you can do with this unit. So would I recommend getting Miss Peak 710 and Chocolate Swirl? I definitely would, especially if you love very full hair. I wish I would have actually got this in a 1 or a 1B just so I could see how that looks, because the brown is already eaten, so I know that jet black will look really, really good on this unit. So I definitely would recommend this unit. I'm gonna give her, she's gonna get an 8 out of 10, and the reason why I give her an 8 out of 10 is because the tangling and the shedding. But I mean, it's synthetic, so I mean, honestly, for the texture, and that's another thing, the texture to me definitely, it boosts it up a little bit more. So we're really gonna say 9 out of 10. So Miss Peak 710 gets a 9 out of 10 from me. She definitely does look very natural as far as the texture and the luster. So it's not very shiny at all. Like, it really looks like natural blown out hair, which I really do love. And it's super soft. Like, for this to be a synthetic wig, she is very soft. So that is all that I have to say about this unit. As you guys can see, I just cannot stop smiling because I just love how this unit came out. It just looks super beautiful. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Would you try this wig out yourself? And as always, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again.